Welcome! Today, we're diving into the science behind Montessori education, exploring why this century-old approach is celebrated by educators, scientists, and parents worldwide. Montessori education began with Dr. Maria Montessori, an Italian physician and educator who saw that children thrive when they have hands-on, self-directed experiences. Fast forward to today, and we find that modern science strongly supports her principles. Let's see how. First, let's talk about Montessori materials. Dr. Montessori believed that children learn best by engaging their senses. Today, cognitive science confirms that when we use multiple senses, our brains create stronger connections. That's why Montessori classrooms are full of tactile tools like math beads, sandpaper letters, and wooden maps that invite children to explore. Research has shown that multisensory learning stimulates brain development and helps children retain information more effectively. For example, a study published in Frontiers in Psychology found that sensory-based learning can improve memory and understanding. Montessori classrooms are built around this concept. Another unique aspect of Montessori is the mixed-age classroom, where children aged 3 to 6, for example, learn together. This isn't just for social variety. Studies indicate that peer learning improves social skills, empathy, and even academic performance. Younger children benefit by observing older peers, while older children reinforce their learning by teaching and helping younger ones. Montessori education emphasizes independence. Children have the freedom to choose their activities and work at their own pace. Research shows that this autonomy nurtures self-regulation and decision-making skills. A long-term study published in Science Direct found that Montessori students score higher on measures of executive function, skills crucial for focus, planning, and problem-solving. And it's not just academics. Montessori prioritizes holistic development, including social and emotional growth. Teachers observe, guide, and let children learn through real-world experiences. A study by Dr. Angeline Lillard at the University of Virginia found that Montessori students show a high level of intrinsic motivation and social maturity, skills that lead to long-term success and well-being. Research also highlights how Montessori's real-world approach to problem-solving can shape the brain in profound ways. By engaging in activities that require focus and perseverance, Montessori students strengthen their neural pathways for concentration and resilience. These are the very skills that set the foundation for lifelong learning. On a practical level, Montessori students often outperform their peers in both academic and social areas. Studies have shown that Montessori-educated children demonstrate advanced abilities in math, literacy, and social skills compared to traditional school counterparts. They're also more likely to enjoy learning and take on challenges eagerly. So why choose Montessori? Science shows that the Montessori method nurtures adaptable, creative, and independent thinkers who are well prepared for life. Whether in academics, social interactions, or emotional resilience, Montessori students show real advantages rooted in how they're encouraged to think, explore, and grow. Curious to learn more? Check out our other videos on Montessori methods, or connect with us on social media. Discover why Montessori could be the right fit for your child.